full-sized Blazer here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking rig. 1989 Chevrolet Blazer 4x4. 5.7 liter or 350 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. 700R4. Automatic with overdrive to be exact. Of course, 4x4 drivetrain. This vehicle actually spent pretty much the majority of its life in Arizona, and it shows as we take a look at the chrome on the bumper up front. Grille. Chevrolet hood ornament still intact. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this vehicle, you're also going to see it from every angle, the interior, engine bay, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the locking front hubs. BF Goodrich all-terrain radials. A lot of tread left in these tires. This vehicle does have a 4-inch suspension lift. Technician noted the brakes are 100% front and rear. Also noted the side glass, which is no surprise in these late 80s vintage GM vehicles. Side glass is a little slow going all the way up and could use just a little help at the very top. And it is tinted side glass, so know your local and state laws. Percentage of window tint that you can have, and you can see the paint shows well on this one. Of course, that fiberglass cap is removable on the rear. Panel's nice and straight. Nicely done vehicle, no doubt about that. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Receiving hitch back here if you need to do a little towing. And once again, those still pictures, you'll be able to see the interior, front and rear, the engine bay, the undersides. Truck from every angle, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these full-sized Blazers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We get these in from time to time. When the videos are uploaded to our YouTube channel, the vehicles and the videos are available to purchase, and you can do that online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see up and down this driver's side, it is also nice shape with a nice shine to that paint. Those lower rockers, not all rusted out. You may find an imperfection here or there where there's been a little pebble chip, a little stone touch-up, what have you. But overall, again, vehicle shows very well. Great rig for your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or maybe it's just like driving a lifted 4x4. So power windows and power locks both. Door panel looks good. Seating surface is also in very nice shape, so bucket seats up front. Center console, and then you're going to have the second row bench. And you'll be able to get a lot better look from the interior pics on this one in the video. It gets a little tough with the camera in here. Tilt column, cruise control. Odometer reads 50,506. I can't confirm or deny actual miles on this vehicle. Once it's so old, the vehicle mileage is marked exempt on the title. So, like I said, once a vehicle reaches a certain age, the mileage is not recorded on the title anymore. It's marked exempt. Top of the dash, looking good. Lots of times, this vintage GM product, you'll see that speaker grid with a crack or so in it. Mentioned AC. AC blows cold. We have an aftermarket stereo down here. I've not played around with that a whole lot. I could sure check it out a little bit when we go to pop the hood and take a peek at the engine bay. I'll give you an update on the stereo, make sure that works. Manual transfer case, and of course center console. Here, let's go ahead and hit the power button. We'll see if this works real quick.
If you have an issue of this nature, please call us at the
Stereo's working. It's like power rear window switch. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. I don't know, sounds as I'd expect. Small block Chev to sound, no crazy exhaust on it. Alright, let me go ahead and pause this a second. We're going to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay and, yep, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. Hood liner, nice shape. Here it is, look at this engine bay. So headers, as you can see. You have power steering, power brake, AC. AC has been converted. 134. Like a newer AC compressor also. Thing's been nicely gone through. Like I said, good looking rig. 1989 Chevrolet Blazer 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yup, it's sitting up a little bit. That is a 4-inch suspension lift you're looking at. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1989 Chevrolet Blazer. I love Blazers. Removable top on the back for that open top experience. This is an automatic on the column. Our turn signal indicator's working. Our speedometer also working. Fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. Nice rumble coming out of this truck. Another one that's just the right height. Looking great with the stance. The temperature gauge is showing about 200. The oil pressure 35 psi. The battery is charging over 14 volts. It's all looking good. We have a Pioneer stereo in the dash. The blower motor also works. The wipers also work. Everything seems to be working. This is a 4-wheel drive down on the floor. We have a lever for that. Power windows. Now I did have to help the window a little bit going up. Nice cloth bucket seats in this truck. Life seat in the rear, of course, and the sliding windows for those back seat passengers. Brakes nice and smooth. Power steering working very well. We've got the visors with the extensions. Those aren't always useful. That one gap behind the rearview mirror. Nice to see that, especially way back in '89. A very nice driving truck. Check out all the pictures of this Blazer at UniqueClassicCars.com.